Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Uwei urang ubalatip kerteng ko Ashit Barua ulawan ra ya ka khusnam ya ka Jylla ha ka Jingjop ka jong ya ka Junior Mr Universe and Junior Mr India. Uni urang ulawan ra ya ka nam la du da ka job ya ka jingya kun ha padeng ka jingkya ka badan riu po hadu hanyo po kilo ha ka FBB Junior Mr Universe arhajar arpuar ka balapenlong da ka Indian Bodybuilding and Fitness Federation ka balalong hapuni ha ka khanyo trik uyayong arhajar arpuar. Shu uni urang lawan ra Burom ya ka Jylla da ka bayo ya ka khusnam ha ka BBFF 60th Junior Mr and Miss Indian National Championship arhajar arpuar ha ka jingkya ka badan ha padeng riu pusan hadu nyo po kilo ha ka singi balang u Ashit ulawan poino sa Jylla ha ka ba lapdeng Burom ya u dagi bahayang hasem bat kilok kijor u Ashit ulaya thu ya ki pathai khubor ba ula ai Burom ya ka Jingjop yau kpa jong u raju barwa bajulong ru kumuwei na kirang peniksa berlaju yo ru ya ki khusnam bat kani kala pelong yu Ashit ban yo ya ka jingslur shu Ashit ula ong ru ba menta udang pan kre na ka benta ban ya shem benta ha ki lempung ya kun shabari.
First of all, thank you for congratulating me. So, I am feeling happy after winning the show, the Mr. Universe and Mr. India. So I want to express this to my dad, who has been coaching me, and my bhaiya, Robbie sir, who has been coaching me, and my mom, who has been supporting me. These three are the pillar of my success. They have been always been supporting me from the starting. Until now, they are supporting me whatever steps I'm taking in the future or not. Whether I want to play this competition or that competition, they are always there for me, for guiding me and supporting me. Next plan, it depends upon my dad and my brother. They used to plan for me everything, so it depends upon them.
Okay.
Yes, if there's any competition ahead, so I think I will be taking part in it. Not sure about it, haven't planned it yet.
Thank you very much.